Chapter number 4, Data and Analysis. In this chapter, I will provide you the answer of multiple choice question with justification and also provide you some important exam oriented questions. Question number 1, which of the following is the primary benefit of integrating mathematics and statistics with computer science in data science? Options are improved data visualization, better forecasting, increased accuracy, better decision making. The correct option is D, better decision making. Why this option is correct? Because mathematics and statistics helps analyze data accurately, leading to better decision making. Question number 2. Which of the following best describe the relationship between data science and artificial intelligence? Data science और artificial intelligence में कौन सा बेहतर describe करता है? Data science is a subset of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a tool used in data science. Data science and artificial intelligence are unrelated. Data science enables artificial intelligence. The correct option is B, because AI techniques are commonly used as tools within data science to build intelligent models. Okay. Question number 3. The Turing Test measures a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior based on which assumption? Humans are better, machines are equal, intelligence level vary, machines copy humans. The correct option is D, because the Turing test assumes intelligence if a machine can imitate human response convincingly. Question number 4. Which factors should be considered critically while developing AI-powered chatbots? Number 1, user experience. Number B, data security. Number C, contextual awareness. Number C, contextual awareness. Number 4, D, option is emotional intelligence. The correct option is B, that is data security, because of AI system handles sensitive data, so ensuring data security is critical. Question number 5. What ethical issue arises from integrating AI into daily life devices? Option A is job displacement due to automation. Option B is increased energy consumption. C, improved customer services and enhanced data security. The correct option is A, job displacement due to automation, because automation may replace human jobs, leading to employment concerns. Question number 6. Which field of AI enables smartphones to recognize faces? NLP means natural language processing, computer vision, deep learning, and neural networks. The correct option is B, that is computer vision, because of computer vision focuses on image and facial recognition task. Question number 7. Which learning model is best for categorizing feedback as positive or negative? Number A, supervised learning, unsupervised learning. Option C is reinforcement learning. Option D is deep learning. The correct option is A, that is supervised learning, because of supervised learning uses labeled data. कौन सा data use किया जाता है? Labeled data, making it suitable for classification tasks. Question number 8. In reinforcement learning, what is the role of rewards and penalties? Option A is labeling data. Option B is evaluating performance. Option C is improving action choices. And option D is classifying outcomes. The correct option is C, improving action choices, because rewards and penalties guide the agent to choose better actions over time. Question number 9. Which states ensure model accuracy, reliability, and privacy compliances? Option A is model deployment. Option B is model evaluation. Option C is data analysis. Now, option D is maintenance and monitoring. The correct option is B, that is model evaluation, because model evaluation checks performance, accuracy, and compliances with standards. Question number 10. What is the main purpose of data cleaning stage? Number A, data collection. Number B, error removal and data organization. Number C, pattern identification. Number D, model deployment. The correct option is B, that is data cleaning removes errors and prepares data for analysis. Now I'm providing you suggested and difficult multiple choice questions, logical, conceptual, exam focused. Question number 11 is which stage of the data science life cycle focuses on transforming raw data into usable format? raw data से usable format में कैसे convert करते हैं? डेटा कलेक्शन में, लाइफ साइकिल में, या डेटा क्लीनिंग में, मॉडल डिप्लॉयमेंट में, डिसीजन मेकिंग में? The correct option is B, that is data cleaning, because data cleaning removes inconsistencies and prepares usable data. Question number 12. Which AI approach learn through trial and error using rewards? Option A, supervised learning. Option B, unsupervised learning. Option 3 means C, reinforcement learning. And number D is transfer learning. The correct option is C, because in C is reinforcement learning. In reinforcement learning improves decision based on rewards and penalties. Question number 13. Which activity is performed immediately after data collection in the data science life cycle? Option A is model deployment. Option B is data cleaning. Option C is data visualization. And D is decision making. The correct option is B, that is data cleaning, because after collecting data, it must be cleaned to remove errors and inconsistencies before analysis. Analysis से पहले उसकी inconsistencies को खत्म किया जाता है. Question number 14. Which of the following best explain why data analysis is important in decision making? A, reduces data storage. B, it replaces human judgment. C, it identifies patterns and trends. Number D, it increases hardware performance. The correct option is C, because data analysis helps identify patterns and trends that support informed and accurate decisions. Question number 15. Which factor is most critical for ensuring ethical use of artificial intelligence? Number A is faster processing speed, large data storage, transparency and fairness, and fourth option is high energy consumption. The correct option is C, that is transparency and fairness, because ethical AI requires transparency and fairness to avoid bias and misuse of data.